my power strip there, and that's the TP-Link switch. I have in this 12U rack mount storage. It's already put away, so sorry I couldn't show you the back of those two items, but yeah, what I like about the power strip is that you can have on whichever outlets you're using. Anything else you're not utilizing, you can have off to consume power, which is awesome. And the TP-Link switch there, yeah, same thing. That's a 12 port, 16 port, I'm sorry. Yeah, more than enough for my place. I'll be probably utilizing another 3, but that's pretty much it for my location. Great switch. It's an unmanaged switch, so great for my needs right now. Definitely recommend these two for home or office. Something simple, nothing too crazy. Great products, run great. 1 gig. I have 1 gig to the house, and I'm getting 1 gig through those switches. I use the Mocha as well. Even with Mocha, I'm getting the whole 1 gig as well to one room. So yeah, it's recommended. Here in my area, I'm using Cox 1 gig, not Cox Fiber. But either way, you know, I'm still getting that full gig, so that's great. For those of you looking into the switch or the power strip, they're both great. Recommended. Haven't had issues so far. It's been about 3 months.